Na food. Wala sa kahit. Best. My hair is very came from back. Hello to my toy viewers. Hi. Hey everyone. How are you? Trying to clean my face. I thank you for the shout out to my 5 viewers. I've been 2 days. I haven't go live because I was so busy with my son at school. I'm very tired when I get home. But guys, please watch my new upload video. Please avail my membership. I have there my Lego challenge. Hello. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get my lipstick. Oh my goodness. Hi. Always my avid viewers, Mark Evan. Thank you for coming always. Always commenting live. Oh my god, the dogs are barking outside. Hello. Hi, Mufasai said. I can't pronounce the name well. How are you? Hi to Manoy Landa. Thank you. Ah, well, I'm fine. And how are you too? Sino kumino? Nag-live po sino ko? Hi to my 9 viewers. Will bring my shades. Oh, oh, that's so bright in feel bright in my hair is wet and came from bath. Guys, will reply mo. I will reply. How are you? I have yep, I have Instagram. I put in my about. I have there. You see my Instagram there. Put my light here. It's dark in my room. So bright. Hi. Can you make comment, guys, so I can make a shout out to those who are watching my live? Oh, welcome to my live, my 5 viewers again.